Hi, my name is Derek Huang. This is my Python project. This is my Python final project. My idea. This project was inspired by a poker game I play in real life. A poker game in China called Do Di Zhu. The main features I created for my project are distribute a deck of poker cards to 3 players, setting one of them to be the master, and for them to play out the cards according to the rules round by round. How I created my project. I used Python with Turtle to build my project. During class, I learned print statements, variables, lists, conditionals, for loops and while loops, and define function. Components I used for the project includes function to make my code clear to read and easy to change, variables and lists to store information, for loops and while loops iterate codes round and round. Here's an example of code I wrote for my project. Uh, it basically just do the start of my pro, you know, this this do the preparing stage of my project. Here is my link. So here's my project, and now it's the master's turn. Usually master will have 3 more cards than the usual player. So now I'm gonna play 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah. And here are the cards. It's a lot. And for player one don't have this much card, so he can use 3, 4, 5, and 6 to bomb master's card. And now player two have nothing to do to get over. Yeah, have nothing to do. So it just choose to not 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 play. And now it's master's turn again. It, he can choose to throw out 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And player one can use 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 to do. Yeah, two. And player two have nothing to do again. So it just jumps to the ground, And now it's master's turn again. You can choose to play out double two. And player one, player one don't have the, yeah, player one. Yeah, so it jumps it around. Yeah, yeah. And player two can do nothing about it too. So it also, yeah. So it's now master's turn again. It's master will do three. So it's cube. Usually we'll do cube. Yeah, one cube. And and play and player one can can do can do eight. One. Yeah. And player two can do one. So which is the big joker, red joker. And master now only have two cards, so it can do nothing about it. So um so it's now player one's turn. Uh, you can choose to do seven, which is three. And now it's player two's turn. You can choose to do eight. And now it's master's turn. Master now can do the first one because no one has bigger the big the bigger cards than the small joker, which is the black star. And now player one have nothing to do about the small joker, so it just jump. It's skip. And player two have nothing to do too, so it just skips. And now it's master's turn again, and when master types the one, which is A, it will win.